Good day, sir. I, Bijip Masgrado, roll number 24, throwing and pushing. Alpha, a power drive vessel when throwing shall exhibit 1. Instead of the lights prescribed in Rule 24, Alpha 1 or Alpha 2, two masthead lights in a vertical line when the lights of the two measuring from the stern of the throwing vessel of the after end of the two axis. 200 meters, 3 shots light in the vertical line. 2. Sunlight. 3. Starlight. 4. A throwing light in vertical line above the starlight. 5. Between the lights of the two axes 200 meters, a diamond shape where it can base in scene. Foxtrot. Provide that many numbers of vessels being two alongside or pushed in a group shall be light as one vessel. 2. A vessel being pushed ahead, not being a part of a composition unit, shall exhibit at the forward end sunlight. 2. A vessel being two alongside shall exhibit a starlight at a forward end sunlight. Golf, an in composition partly submerged vessel or object, or a combination of such vessel or object being two shall exhibit 1. If it is less than 20 meters in breadth, on one all round with light on near of forward and one of near the after and except that described in and need to exhibit a light at or near the forward end. 1. If it is 20 meters of more than breadth, 2. Additional all ground with light at or near of extremities of this breadth. 2. It exceeds 100 meters in length. Additional all ground with light between the lights prescribed in sub-paragraph 1 and 2 so that the distance between the lights shall not exceed 100 meters. Bravo, when the pushing vessel and vessel being pushed ahead are legally connected in composition unit, they shall be regarded as a power drive vessel and exhibit that lies prescribed in Rule 24. Charlie, a power drive vessel when pushing ahead or throwing alongside, except in the case of a composition unit, shall exhibit 1. Exceed of this light prescribed in Rule 24, Alpha 1 or Alpha 2, 2 masthead light in a vertical line. 2. Sunlight. 3. A starlight. Delta, a power drive vessel to watch paragraph Alpha or Charlie or this rule apply shall also comply with this Rule 24. Alpha 2 Echo, a vessel or object being two other than those mentioned in paragraph Golf or this rule shall exhibit 1. In sunlight, 2. In starlight, 3. When this light of the two of exceeds 200 meters, a diamond shape with it can be seen. 4. A diamond shape at or near of thermos externally of this less vessel object being 2 and if the light of the two exceeds 200 meters and an additional diamond shape with it can base be seen at located as forward as a practicable edge which from the surface case of the expectable of a vessel of object being 2 or exhibit at light of shape prescribed is paragraph or G of this rule or possible mean short shall be taken to light a vessel or object 2 or less than indicate the presence of such vessel or object. 1. When for reference just it is practicable of a vessel or not generally engage in throwing operation to the display that lies prescribed in paragraph Alpha or Charlie. Of these rules, vessel shall not be required to exhibit those light when engaged in throwing other vessel, in distress or otherwise in need at assistance. All possible measures shall be taken to indicate the nature of the relationship between the towing vessel or the vessel being to authorized by Rule 36, in particular by illuminating the tow line.